Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, Lars here of Cultivate Nomad. Today we are going to be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro from Apple. There's not much difference from the iPhone 14 Pro, except for a few like this silent button switch, maybe a few others, but we'll see. Pardon the background right now, it's quite raining here, but I wanted to unbox this because I'm kind of excited. So, enough talking, let's do it. Here on the top, the usual cover right here with the paper. They're trying to go all paper, by the way. Pretty much the same as the old one, I guess, with this kind of trying to do a titanium finish or something. I may be mistaken, but yeah, this is from the iPhone 14 Pro. Box is same, just a little bit of different on the this print right here of the iPhone image. And let's take it out. Ooh, okay. Wow, so basically the iPhone 15 Pro is, they said it's on titanium. Let me take my cover off here so we can check the difference. I think this was the midnight blue, if I'm not mistaken, on my iPhone 14 Pro. This is the iPhone 15. I still got a little bit of it. I think it says titanium blue, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, I digress. So this is what the difference of the color is. Pretty cool. I'll still prefer the iPhone 14 Pro blue, the midnight blue, but this is not so bad, especially it's titanium rather, on the iPhone 15. Now, the sides right here, so it's a little bit different actually. Got my dirty weighing scale right here. iPhone 15 Pro with the paper, 190 grams, okay? I don't know if you guys can see, but it's right here. 190 grams, 207 grams. Wow, so that is quite lighter. Oh yeah, that's, a lot lighter. Probably, what, how much was it? 190? This is 206 or 207. Wow, so this is lighter. I mean, it does feel lighter, but it's very subtle. Also, the feel to it, the side, they said they changed the corners and stuff, but I mean, it's very, very minimal, to be honest with you. And here's the side. Oh, okay, yeah. So here's the one big difference on the 14 Pro on the left. I don't know if you guys can see on the overhead camera. The silent switch button right here. And on the 15 Pro, it's just a button. The good thing about this, although I kind of like this one because I can just like press it right away. This is still on default. The 15 Pro is still on default to be silent, but you can customize this and change the settings for this one. Instead of just the silent, you can do something else, maybe a camera or a timer, or whatever you like to put on this one. So you can put a macro of some sort. Okay, and before we go to the other big difference, and one of the reasons why I got the 15 Pro, let's peel this off. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but that was a peel off. Okay, so let me turn off my iPhone 14 Pro first to get a very good comparison. So if you look at the front, it looks pretty much the same. Yeah, you can't really tell until you look at the bottom. Here we go. One of the main feature, or one of the reason why I got this one, iPhone 14 Pro Lightning cable port, iPhone 15 Pro USB-C finally. So goodbye Lightning. It's been really good for Lightning, but RIP Lightning, I'm gonna miss you. I'm looking forward to the USB-C port right here because I can just use USB-C cable, same cable for my MacBook and my other devices, which is really, really handy. Okay, so before we turn this on, let's look at the braided USB-C charging cable. Really, really nice, actually. I like this one. And with the Apple fashion way, with the papers and all that. Here we go. Here's how it looks like. Again, with Apple, their product really looks and feels premium. But that's what I like about them. Although you're paying an Apple tax, obviously, most of the products, let's be real, it's kind of expensive. A little overpriced, but nowadays even the Samsung, the most expensive Samsung right now, the highest one is, I think it's more expensive than Apple for some reason. It's kind of weird, but here's what it is. Here's the cable, and really looks nice and feels nice as well. Then lastly, we have the designed by Apple, all the papers right here. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Yep, the same with the iPhone 14 Pro. You're gonna have to use an eSIM. I'm gonna be transferring all my data and eSIM from my 14 Pro to the 15 Pro. And I think it's pretty easy. So we're gonna do that in a bit. Here, the other paper, iPhone, before using their phone, review their phone, great, and the sticker. Okay, I don't normally, I never really use the sticker, but it's, you know, it's appreciated that you have it right here. Good marketing. Anything else? Nope, that's it. Pretty simple. Put that away. As much as I love the colors and the feel and the look on this one, the thing is, I trade in my phone almost every year, you know, to get a value out of it. So this phone is gonna be, it's gonna have to be inside a Spigen. This is a Spigen case, a transparent case, because I still want to see the look and the colors and all that. And the Spigen glass protector. This is not plastic. What do you call this one? It does say here the Spigen is real glass. Pretty good. I like this one actually. But the Spigen transparent case, this is the first time actually I'm using this one, because I've been using the Rhino Shield bumper case for the longest time. I think like half a decade now. But since they don't have availability when you got this phone, I'm trying out Spigen and we'll see how it goes. But right now, I digress. Let's turn this on. Oh, I'm getting smudges already. I haven't turned this on, I'm getting smudges. Okay, Apple logo. As you can see, I think, yeah, this is a little bit different with the rainbow background and all that, but type English, US. Appearance, you want the default, the medium. Oh, that's a little bigger. Hey, that's way too big. Yeah, I think appearance looks good already. Quick start, setup without another device. No, looking for nearby devices. So this is the time I need to turn this on and unlock and all that. Probably gonna be not showing, you know, privacy and all that. Okay, set up new phone. Yes, continue. So this is really appreciated. The thing with Apple is that you can just transfer all your data, especially with this one, you know, put it side by side. So this might take a minute. I actually want to unbox these two right here. It says, enjoy your new iPhone. This is done. And then I'm going to be, it's updating. Doing a software update on the iPhone 15 Pro right here. We're going to wait for that. And then we're going to unbox this one right here. Get my handy dandy cutter. So we are unboxing this screen protector, the Spigen screen protector. I just want to unbox it. I'm not going to apply this right now. Just want to see the inside of this. Okay, here we go. So this is a 2-pack, by the way. One box, so you get 2 of them. So the good thing about the Spigen, especially this screen protector, what I love about this is that it has this plate right here where you just put your phone and then it's just gonna line up right away, which is really cool. We're not gonna do that right now. That's a good thing about this one. It makes it really easy. If you can see, press and slide and wait 30 seconds. Okay, how is it? Okay, let's put this away because we're back to the main topic right here. Oh, it's still updating. Okay. Anyways, what I was saying is, yep, you can press and line up, and then you like press and slide, and it will like stick right in. And then if most of the time, 9% of the time, it doesn't have any bubbles and stuff. But if you do, then, oh, by the way, here's the instructions. Like I said, you know, well, first of all, you're gonna be cleaning it to avoid the dust and create bubbles on your screen. And then you line up the case and the whole sticker, and then you wipe it up. And then it has this. Here are the stickers to wipe out and all. I'm trying to see, by the way, yeah, and then it has this microfiber cloth, and then the sticker, this is for dust removal. By the way, what I'm trying to say is that, where's it at? This one right here. It's kind of like the spatula or something right here. So you apply this one and you move all the way like this one to remove the air bubbles on the screen protector and all. But again, these are 2 of them. It's a 2-pack. Which is really nice actually, because I think the first time I did this, I made a mistake and I just messed it up. So good thing there's a backup. Then, you know, I was able to make it correct the second time. And I was doing it on my iPhone 14 Pro. Yeah, still updating. Let's unbox this Spigen transparent case. Clear case, transparent case, same thing. Here we go. Okay, pretty simple. Simple piece of paper on the box. Simple, what do you call this? Simple plastic bag inside, and here's the case. So case is pretty cool, looks nice. It's plastic, it's hard plastic, by the way. So we're gonna see how well this protects. Actually, we're gonna try to do it. We're gonna try to place it in right now. Well, as you can see here is how the iPhone looks like, but I like to trade them in, so I don't want to get scratches at all. Hopefully this protects the iPhone well, as well as this bumper case right here. This has saved me a lot of times with my phones. So Rhino Shield, I like it, but it's time to try new stuff. Okay, let's peel this off. Ooh, let's put them in here. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the with this circle magnet. I think it's to make it stick to the magnet, especially the MagSafe and all that. Because when you have the case, oh yeah, that's one of the reasons why I had the bumper case, because I didn't want to have, you know, the magnet here at the middle, especially I have the MagSafe, gets weaker. So at least this one. This is the whole purpose of this one, to keep the magnet still strong or something. And now, by the way, just so you know, it's installing right now, installing the update and all. Let's peel the back plate. Here we go. I think you can still use this bumper case for the 15 Pro, if I'm not mistaken. There's really not much difference. Maybe the alignment, yeah, maybe the alignment of the buttons on the side might be. I think they slightly make it off. I think they might slightly made it off a little bit, but it's pretty much almost the same basically. I'm not sure if 100% if they are in the same location, basically. Let's put in the this pigeon case. Try to clean it. Even though it's new, you always want to make sure you don't have any dust in here. It's actually done, but we're gonna finish this one. Now for the dust removal sticker. Now, before we do that, we peel off this back cover or sticker, or plastic sticker. Yep. Then we're gonna align this one like this. Can you guys see? Then press them. Pretty easy. Now I don't want to scratch the camera. Pretty much you're gonna do this and then press and slide in the middle, on the middle. It says about 30 seconds, so we're gonna do that. Remove from here. Okay, so we're gonna have to remove from the bottom. Okay, this is kind of weird, but it's kind of interesting with this square thing, but whatever. Now, as you can see, there is still some bubbles in the middle. This is when we are going to be using that spatula thing, the black, this one. This is where this comes handy. Basically, just like move them to the side. Here we go, back on appearance, text size and all that, continue, quick start, looking for nearby. So after the software update, it wants to set it up again. New iPhone with USB-C. I've had good times with the lightning cable, but it's time to use the USB-C with all my devices. All right, that's it for this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. Lars of Kilobit Nomad. See you in the next video.